Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 3 power t plus 1 equals negative 19. You are solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. So, if you have a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a power m. So, applying this identity here, I will have 3 power t times 3 power 1 equals negative 19. So what will happen here is that I can divide this by 3 and divide this by 3. 3 eliminates 3. I have 3 power t equals negative 19 divided by 3. Now, what I can do will be to apply natural log. I have natural log of, if you have natural log of 3 power t, this equals natural log of negative 19 divided by 3. And let's consider some properties of log. If you have natural log of a power p, this is p times natural log a. And also, if you have natural log of a divided by b, this is natural log a minus natural log b. So we apply this right here and apply this right here. This will be t times natural log 3 equals, this is natural log negative 19 minus natural log 3. We just apply the second property here. So t times natural log 3, this is t natural log 3 equals natural log negative 19. I can express it as natural log, this is negative 1 times 19 minus natural log 3. Now also, if you have natural log a times b, this is natural log a plus natural log b. So we apply this property right here. That means this is t times natural log 3 equals natural log, this is negative 1 plus natural log 19 minus natural log 3. And remember, square root of negative 1 equals I. So taking the squares, this cancel this, we have negative 1 equals I power 2. So we can have t times natural log 3 equals natural log, this is I power 2 plus natural log 19 minus natural log 3. And remember, if you have natural log a power p, this is p times natural log a. So we apply that right here, and this is t times natural log 3 equals 2 times natural log I plus natural log 19 minus natural log 3. Now from here, I can isolate it by dividing this by natural log 3 and dividing this by natural log 3. So this cancel this. What I'm going to have is t, and this equals 2 times natural log I plus natural log 19 minus natural log 3 divided by natural log 3. So from here, you can have t equals 2 times natural log I divided by natural log 3 plus natural log 19 divided by natural log 3 minus natural log 3 divided by natural log 3. So from here, this cancel this. Of t equals 2 times natural log I divided by natural log 3 plus natural log 19 divided by natural log 3 minus 1. And also, if you have natural log A divided by natural log B, this is natural log A to the base of B. So applying that here, that means I'm simply going to have t equals 2 times natural log I divided by natural log 3 plus natural log 19 divided by 3 minus 1. So this is my t. Now the next thing I'm going to do will be to solve this using another approach. So let's do that. If you have 3 power t plus 1 equals negative 19, then remember a power n plus m equals a power n times a power n. So we apply that here. This is 3 power t times 3 power 1 equals negative 19. 3 power 1 is 3. I divide this by 3. I divide this by 3. So from here we have 3 power t equals negative 19 divided by 3. So what we can do now is to apply natural log of natural log of 3 power t equals natural log of negative 19 divided by 3. And the next thing we are going to do will be, if you have natural log a power b, this equals b times natural log a. And also, if you have natural log a divided by b equals natural log a minus natural log b. So apply this right here and this right here. I'll have t times natural log 3 equals natural log negative 19 minus natural log 3. So this is t times natural log 3 equals natural log this. I can express this as negative 1 times 19 minus natural log 3. Now remember, e power I times pi plus 1 equals 0. And this means that e power I times pi equals negative 1. So substituting this right here, I will simply have t times natural log 3 equals natural log e power I times pi times 19. Then we have minus natural log 3. So don't forget that natural log a times b equals natural log a plus natural log b. So this will be t times natural log 3 equals natural log e power I times pi plus natural log 19 minus natural log 3. And right now, I can have t times natural log 3 equals this. Will come behind this. I have I times pi times natural log of e plus natural log 19 minus natural log 3. So from here, I have t times natural log 3 equals I times pi This cancel this plus natural log 19 minus natural log 3. So isolating t of this divided by natural log 3 and this divided by natural log 3. So this cancel this. I have t equals I times pi plus natural log 19 minus natural log 3 divided by natural log 3. So from here, I can have t equals I times pi divided by natural log 3 plus natural log 19 divided by natural log 3 minus natural log 3 divided by natural log 3. So from here, I have t equals I times pi divided by natural log 3 plus natural log 19 divided by natural log 3 minus 1. This cancels this. We have 1. And don't forget that natural log a divided by natural log b is natural log a to the base of p. So this is t equals I times pi divided by natural log 3 plus natural log 19 to the base of 3 minus 1. So this is the answer that we have gotten based on this. So if you observe, this is I times pi, and this equals 2 times natural log of pi based on this other solution. So aside this, every other thing remains the same. So guys, this is it, and this is how you can solve this exponential problem using any of the methods. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and goodbye.